Hey guys, in today's video I'll teach you how to create categories in WordPress. First of all, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard, then you need to bring your cursor here to posts, and here you will see an option of categories. Click on it. Okay, once you click on it, as you can see here, some of my categories I have already created. Uncategorized. This category was not created by me. I can edit it. This was already given to me in my WordPress account. You can create a new category from here. For example, I want to name my category financial plan, and you can add a slug here. If you want to make it a subcategory, you can also select a parent category from here. Like I want to make financial plan a subcategory, so I'll choose a parent category from here. I can add description. Once I have written the name and added description, I'll click on add new category and my category will be added here. And if you want to delete it, just click on delete and OK, and your category will be deleted. This is how you can create a category on WordPress. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.